Hello there, Quantos here. In my last video, I promised to talk about how we can truly live out the love we possess today. Question is, if love is the source of happiness and joy, why is it so hard to open to it fully? We experience ourselves as separated from love, and this shuts down our capacity to trust. So even though we may hunger for love or believe in love, we still have difficulty opening to it and letting it circulate freely through us. We think low of ourselves. We resort to someone who will treat us badly. We think highly of ourselves. We will wait for someone to raise us to that pedestal. People with a low self-esteem think no one cares about them, when in reality, they just can't accept the love of those who do because it feels undeserved and surreal. Whenever you find yourself judging someone for their choices, or find yourself being treated in a manner worse than you would like, step back and think. The problem in relationships begin with us. When we imagine that the warmth ignited in our heart isn't really ours, that it's transferred into us by other person, then we become obsessed with the other as the provider of love. When in truth, the warmth we feel comes from the love within our heart. One of our frustrations with love is our complete inability to keep it, like sand slipping between our fingers. The harder we grasp, the faster it seems to fall through. It would be nice if love was as simple as baking a bunch of cookies or building a bird nest for the backyard. A simple set of ingredients, a logical list of steps to take. But we all know the truth. Love cannot be manufactured. Love cannot be bought or traded. It cannot be forced. It cannot be controlled. It cannot be plotted on a map or broken down into a checklist of to-dos. Now, in my next video, I shall be looking at if it's possible to find true love. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share the videos. Love's pride. This is our pride. Sweet sisters. Bye.